Hello and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be showing you how you can redeem your Starbucks gift card. Now this is a very quick and simple thing to do, so make sure you watch this video all the way to the end so you don't miss any important steps. Now the first thing you want to do is actually head over to the Starbucks website, and the URL for that is starbucks.com. And from here you should be on this page, and as we can see in the top left corner there is an option that says gift cards. So the first thing we want to do is click on that, and then from there we can see all the gift cards that they have to offer. But since we're trying to redeem a gift card, what we want to do is either choose add or reload or check balance. So if we weren't actually sure how much money was on it and we just wanted to check, we can click check balance, put in the card number and security code of our gift card, and then we can click check balance to find out. However, if you don't need to find out the balance and you just need to redeem it, all you have to do is click add or reload. And from there, you will either need to sign into your account or make a new account. And when you are doing that and you get back on this page, you will actually have the option to redeem your Starbucks gift card. So that's exactly how you can redeem your Starbucks gift card. I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, please comment down below to say this video helped you out. And also like and subscribe for more content like this. Thanks for watching.